Slow cooker meals from the freezer are my favorite because they're so easy to get going. This has been thawing for just a couple of minutes, just enough to get the sauce and the meat to separate from the bag. And so what we're gonna do is, it's still mostly frozen. We're gonna transfer it here. We're gonna flip this over. This is actually a roast. I labeled it separately. Oh no, this is chicken. It's Italian chicken. It's not chicken tacos because of a new segment I did recently. Side note. And I am not gonna add any liquid to this. That's all I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put the lid on and I'm gonna cook it on low for at least 8 hours. There we go. And we're gonna cook it on low for 8 hours because it is cooking from frozen. That is my one rule with making freezer to slow cooker meals. And literally in 2 minutes or less of hands-on time, I have dinner going in the slow cooker, and I'll just cook up some pasta later this evening and we have an easy peasy dinner.